Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Monday morning. Yes, you're not dreaming. We are live on a Monday morning. Yes. So, hopefully, you guys are doing amazing and welcome. So, welcome back to the existing followers. Welcome to the new followers. So, if it's your first time here, make sure to activate notification because, as you see, sometimes I get some surprise and I'm not live at the exact same thing, exact same time, and exact same dates. Okay, so obviously I'm expecting a little less people this morning because I did announce that just a couple minutes ago on my Instagram. So yeah, it is what it is. It's part of the game. We might have fewer people, not fewer people, but lesser people. Like, can you say lesser people? Whatever. Anyways, so yeah, guys. So make sure to smash the goddamn like button as you coming in. Sorry, I'm trying to read a question here that I received on Discord. Let me see here if I can check this message as we go. Okay, cool. All right, so let's get started here. So let me know, say hi in the chat. Oh, by the way, if anyone can share the link into I think there's two Discords now for Son of Cat. I know I'm in one of the new one, but if anyone can share the information and the link, that will be very appreciated. Bilal, good morning. Good morning, Bilal. How are you, man? How are you? Morning, Peter. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This week looks like it's gonna be insane. Actually, let me just grab this here. Should have this right here. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so sorry guys. So we got Krish here. Yo, yo, yo. How you doing? Good morning, Krish. And again, if anyone can share the link into the Discord, I will be very thankful. Vanessa, good morning, Sasha. Bon matin, Vanessa. Good morning. Good morning, Paul. How are you, man? How are you guys? All right, cool. That's I'm happy to see you guys live this morning because I know I did announce that very like last second, basically. I realized that I booked my train and I look at the time. I was like, oh shit, that sucks. I'm gonna be in the train at that time tomorrow. So yeah, let's do it tomorrow. Let's do it this morning. You will do it. Thank you, Krish. Very appreciate it. Okay, cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on. Enough talking, more trading. Okay, let's jump into it, guys. Okay, so let's start. Let's see here. Morning. How do you feel about not trading under LLC? Um, I feel pretty good. I don't know. Look at me. I'm feeling great. I don't know. How should I feel? I don't know. That's a good question. Um, okay, so here, where the fuck am I? Oh, okay, sorry guys. First thing first, I want to check something because I think this week is going to be a pretty interesting week. Okay, so tomorrow is CPI. Is it CPI? No, PPI. Okay. When is FOMC? Oh, CPI and FOMC. Is that right? We got CPI tomorrow, Wednesday. FOMC member. Okay. Unemployment claims. It's gonna be a busy week for the U.S. Holy. Okay. Okay. So let's focus here. Okay, let's get going. What the fuck? Okay. Just asking because a lot of people say we should, but are back to the chart. Yeah. Um. Yeah. On my end, I got like 2, 3 different companies, so yeah, I'm not gonna talk about accounting stuff here. But yeah, it's a good question though. You should definitely get informed and ask some professional about it. Tomorrow, Fed chairman will speak. Powell, yes. Yes, ladies. Actually, let me just put this banner here so I don't get into problems. Okay, that's good. Accent. Okay, now we can focus. Okay, so we got two alerts on our screen. So first one is GA, which is the first one says actually I got two alerts about GA. The first one says 30-minute creating higher high and H1 going bearish. What the fuck? Okay. So okay, so let's go check GA actually. Okay, so that's gonna be the first one we're gonna be talking about this morning. So let's take a look. So we got the weekly here. We got the weekly bearish. So weekly was bullish, obviously here, boom, we flipped bearish. We had here the retest and we went down. I didn't execute on that trade. I don't know. Maybe I was not looking at it. I don't know what the fuck happened. Anyways, I just saw this now. Okay, cool. So of course here the next logical step would be, especially after this doji, to wait for the pushback here to eventually come down here, right? So let's see. But there might be another move a little quicker than this one. If you look on the daily flip, because I was expecting that move back on the weekly after seeing this bullish engulfing. I was expecting this, to be honest. But now we just create a new lower low. We just created a new lower low here. And so the daily is bearish, the 4 hour is bearish. We have a pullback inside that golden zone here on, oops, here we got a pullback inside that H4 golden zone. Now we're probably sitting on that safety net here. Let me check. Check. Yep, there we go. So the safety net is right here. We close under. We got a nice bearish engulfing on Friday. Okay, so that looks good. So now let's go take a look at the 1 hour. So okay, 1 hour just flipped bearish. Okay, great. So that's amazing. So let's update this. That's perfect. So now, based on the H1, the only thing I'm missing now is going to be a pullback on H1. Boom. And let's switch this to H1 lower high. Here we go. So yeah, so we got our bullish candle here. So we should see a little pullback here. Or we might just retest this area before coming down. Okay, is that a major QP somewhere? No. Okay, cool. So we're good. Okay. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute, baby. 30-minute got a new lower low now. All right, cool. So we did flip bearish. 30-minute bear. 30-minute bear. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so same thing here. So I'm waiting for the pullback here on the 30-minute or 1 hour, waiting for the engulfing and take it down, baby. Take it down. Yeah. If it doesn't happen, it's because we're gonna have the pullback here on the weekly, which is great also. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think that makes sense. Let's see here. I think we got some comments here. Krish. If daily goes bullish on GA, might take 2 time frame trades. Yes, correct. So if GA flip bullish on the daily, I would be willing to take a day trade up to that daily area of interest, going against my weekly, but I will go in the same direction of my daily and my H4. I will never go, as explained on last Thursday, Forex Talk Over Beer. I will not go against my H4. And that's why a lot of people got a loss on Euro USD last week. But I didn't because I followed my rules. One sell G means that you're selling at a weekly lower low. Like I said, it depends because if you look, yes, you're at a weekly lower low, but you got that retest on the daily and it looks like we still have momentum to the downside. But again, if we go back up, I mean, if the daily flip back bullish, that's where I'm going to take it. There, I want to take it. Da, 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 da. 2 time frame on G to weekly GZ, yes, or the daily area of interest, yes. Hopefully that makes sense. Actually, let's take a look at the what the fuck? Where's my screen? Here we go. If you look here on the weekly, I mean, we cannot use our fib yet because we don't have a bullish candle here on the weekly time frame. God damn, that was hard. I think I'm still sleepy this morning. What the fuck? Okay, wake up, Sasha. Yeah, can you tell I'm not used to do like live stream on a Monday? Woo-hoo. Okay, so yes. Okay, so that's a plan here. Very simple. Here's that daily area of interest that I'm waiting for, which is also the major QP. So I'm going to be honestly, the best scenario will be for price to go up here. Okay, that will be the best scenario, but that's going to happen like in a couple of days. Um, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. As you can see here, the reason why I'm like still looking at sales, even if we're at a lower low here on the weekly, it's because of those all those rejection. Look, and that's something. Okay, guys, let's have a special subject here. Okay, because there's people looking that's just, yeah, you had a lower low, you're at this, you're at that. Yes, yes, you're right. Totally agree with you. Okay, but there's other things to look for also, and that's like candles. Every candles has a story to say. Okay, and when you look at candles and price action, that can give you like other confirmation or other trade ideas, because when you look at this, you can clearly say that here we having a very hard time pushing above that major QP, which is the 9,000 1.9 thousand, even flat number. I'm actually going to put a line here for you guys. That major QP is really strong. Let's put major QP. Here we go. Perfect. And you see all those rejection. Okay. And most of the time, what happens is when we close, when we close under a major QP like this, there's a big chance we're going to go visit the next major QP, right? So yeah. So once again, this is the reason why I'm still looking at sales, even if I am at the weekly low. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense, guys. Let's move on. Let's see if there's any other question, and we're gonna move on to the next pair. Let's see. A bit late at the party, but good morning from Utrecht. Hey, man, we're never late. You're never late. Well, just a tiny bit late, but that's okay, man. You're coming from far, so you're good. Hey, man, welcome. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to smash the goddamn like button, guys. It looks like the button is defect right now. Like, elbow drop the button. Elbow drop the like button, guys. Hello, Sasha. Am I high or this is Monday? Hello, Martins. Yeah, I know. A lot of people say like, "What the fuck is going on here?" Like, yeah, I know. I'm gonna be on the train tomorrow morning, so it's gonna be like, a little complicated to do the live stream. I'm gonna be on a train going to Toronto, so yeah. So I said, yeah, you know what? I cannot leave my training friends here without a live session. So I said, fuck it, let's do it this morning. So I decided that when waking up this morning, I was like, you know what, let's do it. Let's do it now. So that's what happened. So it was last minute, but you guys showed up, man. Thank you. Thank you so much for showing up this morning, guys. What do you think of AUD CAD? It doesn't look like it's on my watch list, but we'll go take a look at it. Check out GU waiting for daily to go bearish. Okay, so we got AUD CAD, GU to watch. Um, nice family out there, bro. Nice family out there. Got your little son there, your wifey. That's cool, man. I tripped and hit my head when I came in. On the like button. Oh yeah, okay. You smacked the like button with your head. God damn, that's a big one. Okay. Let's focus, guys. Let's focus. Man, I can chit chat for all day long. Okay, let's go check GJ first. Okay, because GJ, GJ is my love. Um, okay, let's go to the weekly. All right, so we're bullish here the weekly on GJ. Last week we did close bullish. Candle. We came down and retest previous structure. Okay, cool. Now let's take a look at the daily. Daily came down, retested daily area of interest. And since then we're just been pushing hard. I mean, 4 hour, I'm still waiting for a pullback on the 4 hour. Never had a pullback. You see, this is a good example of missing trades. By respecting your rules. Like, I don't give a shit. I'm not flipping. I'm not going crazy. I'm like, shit. I need to get in. No, fuck it. I'm gonna miss the trade. Oh well. At one point it's gonna come back down, and that's where I'm gonna get it. So far, still waiting. Okay. What about GA? GA we just talked about. Euro NZD. Euro NZD looked pretty sharp last week, Friday. When I was looking at the chart, so let's see here. Weekly, boom. So same thing here. We had a lower low, but the same thing as G. I'm still pretty interested, but it all depends. Like again, we might have the pullback here on the weekly. We got a doji candle, so it's very possible. But once again, if you look at the daily, look at this problem here to this area, and we came down to retest previous structure right here. Oops. Here we go. Let's put this on. Perfect. So as you can see, we broke down under, we came up, retest previous structure, and that's where we at right now. So I'm just going to remove the zone. If you look at H4, we create a new lower low. And yeah, now we're in the pullback. So it was either one of the two things. It would be like either creating a lower low here, come back up, retest previous structure, or coming back up to the golden zone. So it's one of the two. Now we are at the golden zone. I think we are at the safety net right now, actually. Boom, right here. All right, so you see this green line? This is my safety net. This is the last area where I'm actually interested into taking a trade. So yeah, still looking good. Now let's go check the lower time frame. 1 hour. All right, so 1 hour now is bullish. So let's do this. Boom. Perfect. And perfect. H1 high low. Perfect. All right, cool. So now we need to wait for the actually we got here we got an elbow here. What about the 30-minute? 30-minute is right here. Right here. So far we are bullish here on the 30-minute, but we might close in what time is it now? In 15 minutes. Let's change this for 30-minute bull. Oh, I did it. 30-minute bull. There we go. Perfect. So far, this 30-minute is bullish. But if we do close under here, we're going to be flipping bearish. And that's where we might be interested in looking for entries on Euro NZD. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Say yes. Uh-oh. Marnus, what happened here? Marnus says you add deleted message. Oh, maybe you're trying to send a link. Yeah, guys, if you want to send your chart, very important, you need to click on this camera button. Oh, you don't see it because of the Black Bull logo, but there's a camera button behind the Black Bull logo on your trading view, and you're going to click on copy links, and you're going to send me not the full link here. You're going to send me just this part, so the /X to the end, that's what you're going to be posting into the chat. Because if you post in the link on YouTube, I don't know how they do it, but the bot is going to delete your message automatically. Not my bot, like YouTube bot. I don't know. All right, so Euro GPY. Let's go take a look. Euro GPY weekly. Let's put the screen bigger. Let's go back. All right, cool. So we got Euro GPY here. We're bullish on the weekly time frame. We are bullish on the daily. We already had a push up here. But again, same shit as GJ. I never really had a nice pullback here on this pair. So on the 4 hour. So look at this since here. Boom, we've been pushing up. So I'm like, all right, cool. So you see, never really had a pullback here. Like not even an elbow. Like it's like flat. It's not even an elbow. Crazy. I don't know. Weird. 2 hours. 2 hours do have elbows though. So I think I'm gonna base my save out of the 2 hours. Because it's more clean. The 1 hour is clean. So 1 hour actually has a nice higher low here and higher high here. But that's about it. So right now, Euro GPY standby. AD GPY, same thing. We are bullish on the weekly. We are bullish on the daily. We came down. Look at this, beautiful man. Came down to this daily golden zone, area of interest. I mean, previous structure, major QP, and everything was beautiful. Just never had a fucking pullback here for H4. Fuck, that sucks. But it's part of the game. It is part of the game. So here we have an elbow though. We have an elbow here, and now we came down and closed bearish here and closed back bullish here. Okay, interesting. Okay, NZDGPY. You see, I'm still looking at those because I mean it still makes sense. Just waiting for an entry. Daily 4 hour. So same shit here. So all the GPY pair. What the? So all the GP. Oh, God damn, Sash. All the GPY pair looks pretty much the same right now. Here. Oh, we might create a new higher high here. Cool. CAD GPY, same bullshit. So, yeah, I mean, they all look the same right now. 4 hour. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I mean, nothing else we can do really right now. So, on those pairs, just gonna be waiting. Just gonna be waiting. Just gonna be waiting. Let's see here. Chris, GPI will be great sales once daily goes bearish. Yes. Gotta wait. What do you mean daily goes bearish? Wait a second here. But you got your weekly bullish though. You got your daily bullish. Daily's bullish. Like daily's bullish. Daily's bullish. Daily. What did you say? Will be will be great sales. Once daily goes bearish. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, sorry guys. Man, took me a little while here. Oh yeah, because you might want to see the pullback here on the weekly, but the thing is, we already had the pullback. We already had the pullback here on that with that bearish candle. Came down to retest. Now we got a bullish candle on the weekly last week. So it doesn't look like the weekly wants to go lower right now. So that's why I'm sticking with buys on that one. Yes. Yes, they are at a high. Yep, there's nothing left. Yeah, there's nothing on the left. Because you remember if there's just like a week or Chris actually clipped that. But when I was talking about like looking left, most of the GPY pair, if you look left, like there's nothing. Like, I mean, there's some here in 2007. But I mean, it's been a while. We didn't go to this area of 116, so but still look like having a lot of power in there. So we'll see. We shall see. What's the other pair we were looking at? Guys, what was the other pair? Where was it? Who said GA? We talked about. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to go through the chat right now. GU. Yeah, GU and UDCAD. AUCAD. Okay, so let's start with AU. Let's start with AU. AU is not that far, so it might look pretty decent. So let's see. Okay, so let's start from the weekly. So weekly, if we zoom out here, we are bearish. Okay, so we are bearish since fucking August 2022. And since then, we've just been, ranging in this area. Boom, 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 boom. This is just price action. We are bearish. Okay, everybody got that? What is this alert? That must be a mistake. Remove. Okay, let's take a look at the daily now. Oh, hold on. AUCAD, not EU. Oops, my bad. All right, so sorry. We'll do that one still. Um, sorry, guys. You see, they were both like here, so I guess they both look decent. So, but we'll start with that one now. Okay, so now if you're looking at the daily, daily is bearish from this point to this point. Oh, this is actually where I got my trade last week, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, yeah. That was a nice little win. We broke that trade on Forex Talk Over Beer last Thursday night. So if you want to see that trade explained and broke it down, just go watch the replay on YouTube because this was a pretty solid trade. Um, yep, yep, yep. The exit was pretty good too. Holy, look at this. Woo, 3, 2, 1, and boom, push up. Okay, so now we are bullish on the 4 hour. We are bearish. Okay, so we're weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4 hours bullish. So now we need the 4 hour to go back bearish to be able to take this trade down. Now, if you want to take it to the upside, you got to wait for the daily to flip back bullish, which is we need to close above this area. If it was me, if I was looking for buys, I would be waiting for price to do something like this, come retest this daily area of interest, you know, you see, and take it to the upside. So that would be the plan for me taking buys. But so far, I mean, we're still very bearish on the weekly. Um, so that's why I prefer to instead wait for the 4 hour to go back bearish and take another entry here. Because look at this. Look how beautiful is this. Okay. So here we got this. All right, cool. So we might do something like this. That will be beautiful. And if we do break under here, retest this to continue down, I'm in. But something I like even more is under this area here. I mean, how clean is this? You got this full move here. You got a little bit of problem here, but after that, super duper clean on that H4. I mean, whoa, what the hell? So how many pips is that? So from here to here, we're talking about like a quick 30 pips. But for this move, you're looking at the phone. You're looking at 95 pips. So almost 100 pips here. Yeah, you can come grab. There's clean traffic literally to the left side. So that would be great. That would be great. So yeah, EU still looking nice. Actually, I'm gonna put it blue because it does look good. We got 2 time frame in sync. Now we're just waiting for the H4 to go back bearish. Pretty simple. Okay, so now finally AUD CAD. Sorry guys, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you AUD CAD. Okay, let's jump into it. We got a weekly bullish. We had the major QP here that we broke above. What is this? Retesting major QP daily area of interest. Okay. So we got a weekly bullish. Daily is bullish, but look at this because we look at that pair on Tuesday morning last week, and since then, look at this, just a range. God damn, that's ugly. So yeah, right now, especially after last week bearish here, you can expect price to come down, but we didn't broke previous low, so that's something else also about price action. So if you look here, we came down here to the downside, but we didn't broke previous low here. So since we didn't broke previous low, the odds are better for price to move up to the other direction. If this wick would have been broken If it would have been breaking, man, the Frenchie's having a hard time this morning. So if we would be breaking this wick, the odds would be better for price to continue down. But so far, we have no clear indication on that weekly candle. Daily respected previous low also here. I mean, yeah, it's a lot of indecision here on AUD CAD. I prefer AUD USD right now so far. The 4 hour right now, 4 hour was bearish from there to there, and now we create a new lower low from here to here. Cool, and that's about it. Yeah, so AUD CAD, I don't know. Yes, you need the 4 hour to go back bullish. You have your 3 time frame in sync. I just don't like this shit. Like, I just don't like this. Like having a hard time breaking above. But again, if we do break here on a 4 hour time frame, close above, retest this area, or having a deeper pullback in the golden zone, I might be willing to take it. But I don't know. I just don't like this price action here. And this is just a personal thing. GU, ladies and gentlemen. And should I do my steps? Yes, I should. What time is it? 8? Yeah, it's time for the steps soon. We'll wait for the close of the candle. Actually, let me go grab my shoes. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back. Got the shoes. We gotta get the walking pad out because this fat ass needs to do steps. Oh, by the way, guys, I got tons of people reached out about the income opportunity. I'm gonna have more details this week. So stay tuned. If you have room in your bank account and you want to make some extra money, let me know. Hit my DM. I think that can be a great way to actually fund your account. Yeah, there's funding company out there. That's great, but nothing is better than managing your own capitals. Okay, so that can be a nice opportunity for you guys to actually create or generate a nice capital for your trading account. So, anyways, hit my DM if you have rooms in your bank account. Actually, let's put the desk up. Here we go. We have the walking pad, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm just going to get set up here. I'm almost done. 30 more seconds. And we'll move on to the next pair. Yeah, it's gonna do a funky noise for like 30 seconds or so. Sorry, I do apologize about that. I don't know why it does that like for 30 seconds. I put oil in it, but I don't know. Alright, cool. Okay. So, hey guys, make sure to smash that goddamn like button. What's going on here? Like, where's the love, guys? Like, testing 1 2. Is that like button defect or what? Okay. So, oh, you see, the funky noise is gone already. Great. Okay, let's focus back now. Um, so we talked about 80 CAD, 80 USD. Now we're up to GU. So let's take a look at the weekly here. So weekly, GU looks pretty good. Look at this. Let me remove this arrow. This is beautiful. So we have a nice pullback here to this weekly area of interest. I'm pretty sure this should be in sync with the golden zone also. Let's take a look. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Right in that weekly golden zone. So we got nice double confluence here. Let's take a look at the daily here. Daily is bullish. So now we're just waiting for the daily to go back bearish. I'm actually going to place an alert here. So I'm going to do two things here. So the first one, I'm going to say daily going bearish. Perfect. And the other alert I'm going to place is here, because if we do create a new higher high, I want to be notified, right? So daily, what the fuck? Sasha, you don't know how to write anymore? Daily creating new higher high. Cool. All right. So I think we're set here. So that's good. So I think GU looks pretty decent. Also, I'm going to put blue. Put it there. Actually, ED was looking nicer. But yeah. All right, cool. So that's good. Let me go check the chat here. Um, oh shit, I'm late on the chat, guys. It's okay, okay. My chart. So we got Chris chart here. Hi Sasha, what do you prefer when entering a trade? Do you do this immediately after the engulfing candle, or do you wait for the pullback? Most of the time, I will wait for the pullback. But if I am in high volume period of time, like let's say like 8:30 a.m., which is NY open, 9 a.m., which is like NYSC open, 10 a.m. London close. When I know there's a lot of volume in the market, I might not need to wait for the pullback and get the entry right away. But most of the time, I do wait for the pullback though. So hopefully that answered the question. If AC create new high on the daily and logo is bearish, will you be interested in 2-time frame day trade? AC. Let me see. If AC create a new higher high, we are bullish here, bearish here. I need. Well, yes, if it does create a new higher high, technically the 4-hour would be in sync though. So yeah, I would not go against my 4-hour. But technically, if daily creates a new higher high, that means my 4-hour went bullish. So suddenly you got all your time frame in sync. Okay. What walking pad is that, Sasha? And will you recommend it? Oh yeah, totally, man. Love it. I bought it on Amazon. It's called City Sports. It's kind of blue, grayish. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. Amazon. Walking pad City Sports. It's this one here. Yeah, this one. 339 Canadian. Yeah, I like it. Works pretty well, except for that weird noise for 30 seconds. But Yeah, I like it. Anyways, um, bum bum bum. Throw Alicia car on the like button, guys. I love it. Um, Here, how important are the area of interest to you? It look like you like the GZ more in your planning. For me, they're both equal, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, put it this way: the GZ is to give you an idea of where the pullback might go. You know, because sometimes people get in the trade a little too early. That's why when I see an area of interest being retested after like a small move, I'm like, for me, it's a risky trade because there's a big chance that we're going to see a bigger pullback. For me, the bigger the pullback, the bigger the trade. At the end of the day, that's what it is. Like the way I see a pullback is exactly out of analogy. Okay, so the way I see a pullback is the same way as I see someone going back and taking a full swing to do a long jump. I don't know if that would make sense, but if I want to do a long jump, I'm gonna stand here and jump forward, or I'm gonna go back, take a swing and start running and jump. Yes. So the pullback, you can see the same thing. If you're just doing like one step back and trying to jump like further, that's cool. You might go a little further, but if I go back like 100 feet, start running and jump, am I gonna go further? Yes. Okay. So that's the exact same fucking thing. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. Can you explain AUDGPY? Yeah, we did it. We did AUDGPY. So after the stream, you can just rewind or go at the beginning. We talked about AUDGPY already, but we might go back like in a couple minutes. What are you waiting for? Because it's creating high. Yeah, we'll go check it back. Nice, thanks. You're welcome. Okay, so meanwhile, we had Krish sending a chart here. So let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here we have, we got Krish chart, and this is GU daily time frame. So we got a weekly bearish, daily bullish, waiting for break and retest of area of interest, either for buys and below for sells. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that makes sense. I think that's what we discussed, no? Not sure, yeah. GU daily. Because if you look, the weekly is bearish, right? So we got a weekly bearish. We have the daily bullish. Oh, I know what you mean. Okay, yeah. Okay, now that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, you want to go above this area, retest, take a day trade to the upside. Yeah. Yeah, I think that can make sense. Um, but once again, look at this rejection and look at this one. And after that, you got a bearish kind of doji-ish candle after retesting this area. And we have a major QP here to the left, to the right, 26,000. That got rejected pretty hard. So I don't know. I don't know in this case if I would be willing to take it to the upside, honestly. Major QP. Here we go. Perfect. So for me, all the confluence are in line to go back down. Just need the daily to go back bearish, to be honest. So, and once again, if we go bullish here, I'm not excited about taking a trade to the downside. I'm excited because I'm gonna get a better entry, because price might do this, this, come back down because we're going to be rejecting this major QP, retesting this shit, coming down. You know. And look at this. This is something also in the course that give you a little glimpse, but look around the 250. Okay, just gonna point that out. Okay, 250 is right here. Okay, let's put it another color. Let's put it I don't know, green. If you go down to the lower time frame, there's a big chance we'll see a rejection pattern. We'll go down to 30. Where is it? So here we got that wick. Okay, so in this case, we only have a wick rejection. Let me go check. Here, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so in this case, it's just a wick. But most of the time, when you see the undershot level, which is the 250, you will see a rejection pattern most of the time. But anyways, that's another subject for another time. Man, it's getting warm fast here. Woo. Wait a second. Okay, we're back. Okay, so let's see here. Guys, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button as you're coming in. Like we should reach 100% like ratio. I'm sure we can do it. What other pair did we say? Let's see. Let's go back to the chat. Got it, Sensei. Thanks. You're welcome, buddy. Dude, first time I see this emoji. That's a funny one. People looking for buying on NU. Personally, big no-no. What's your thought? NU. I don't know. Let's go check. Let's go check, baby. Let's go check. NU. Okay, cool. Okay, so NZD USD, ladies and gentlemen, we are bullish on the weekly time frame. We completely destroyed that weekly golden zone, so now I'm gonna remove it. Did we broke the safety net? We kind of broke it, closed back above. So okay, that's a like last minute thing. Okay, what about the day? I was actually looking at the day trade on that one to take it to the downside. Yeah, because I mean, daily is still bearish. Daily is still bearish. 4 hour is hold on, wait a second. That's where's my other blue line? Oh, here we go. So 4 hours bullish since a while now. Okay. But if people wants to buy it, the problem is hold on. So you got your weekly bullish. Yeah, you definitely need your daily to go back bullish. That's for sure. Yeah, so basically that's what you're missing to go to the upside. But once again, if you look at the weekly here, yeah, I just don't like this. I just don't like this doji here. But not gonna lie, you have to trade what you see and not what your feeling are. Okay, so Here what I see. Okay, so let's go to a logical standpoint without any emotion. Okay, so we have price bullish on the weekly. Okay, we have price coming down here for a pullback. You know, great, awesome. And we rejected the safety net here. We closed back above. Okay, great. Okay, awesome. Now, and we flip back above that major QP, which is the 6,000, 60,000. So that's also good because once we break above, there's a big chance we're going to go visit the next major QP. Okay. Now let's go take a look at the daily. So daily, actually, let me remove this so it's less confusing. Where's the area of interest on the weekly? So weekly, we had another area of interest right here. So this one got destroyed. So we can remove it. That's the 1, 2, 3. You know, I'm sure we can go. We got not here. But anyways, we got 3 touches. So we got another area of interest here on the weekly. Okay. Now let's go down to the daily. So daily is bearish. We're definitely going to need the daily to go bullish. So let's say price does this, goes above, and you're going to need to retest this area here to continue to the upside. So yeah, it's not like it's good, but to be honest, I don't know. I just don't like this. I don't like the floor not having like a decent pullback. Like I think we retested 382 here, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. So you see right here, we retested 382, start to push up. Not my favorite setup, to be honest. I like a deeper pullback. So in my book, just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. I'm gonna watch it. I'm not in love with NZD. I think there's other pair that looks way more nicer than this. So yeah, I would say like score would be like a 7, like a 7. A 7. If you meet a 7, I mean, you want to have a talk with a 7. You might want to go back to the hotel room with a 7, but I don't know. Do you want to spend up your life with this? I don't know. I don't know. So, anyways, guys, you got to check those pairs and analyze those pairs, but do not marry the trade idea. Because I saw some people in Discord about a Euro USD trade. Holy fuck, people! You are so in love and so married to that trade. Even after losing, you're like, yeah, I'm gonna re-enter, man. I'm gonna murder that bitch. It's just like I'm gonna re-enter. I'm gonna give it a second try, third time, and a third. Like what the fuck, guys? It's not the play right now. Like why try to destroy a bank account? If you want to spend your money like in the air and burn it, give it to somebody else. Like do a donation for people that feed kids that don't have food on the table. Like, I don't know, do something smart with your money instead of just burning it. Anyways, just my thoughts. Okay, now let's move on. Ladies and gentlemen. What else? Do you have a video on how you set your trading view up with all the default H8 colors, all the other quick stuff you use? Yes, I did one, but it's in the course though. But I don't mind sharing. Hi, view default HH. Quick stuff use. Oh, those are very simple. So basically, the lines, the higher high and the higher low, it's very simple. I did it once like this, and what I did is I put the setting. So I double click here, put visibility, and I said, hey, I want this one to be my H4 higher high. So it's only going to show up on, so I'm going to remove all this and 4 hours, say 4 to 4, and that's it. Okay. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to call it Boom. AH4 high, and I'm gonna save as a template. Okay, so now I'm not gonna do it because I already did it, but you just save it as a template so it's easier. So hopefully that makes sense. Krish, weekly might reject area of interest plus weekly doji candle. Yeah, that's it. Yep, exactly. But I say, fuck, area of interest and doji. I would say not to go against the daily and H4 time frame. In this case, daily is bearish, so big no no. Yeah, exactly, man. You gotta follow your rules. At the end of the day, that's super important. Good morning, Sasha. Hope you and your family doing great, doing good. Yes, we are. We had a great weekend. It was fun. Now it's time to murder this week. Got it. Thank you. You're welcome, Kaya. If you have any other question, let me know, or just reach out to me in my DM. Um, okay. All right. So, guys, this is the time where you all smash the like button at the same time, and we make the like button explode in three, two, one. Can we do it? Smash it. Smash it good, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, smash the goddamn like button. Um, Let me see here. Um, okay. Okay. Which other pair now? Um, thank you. Have you gone through Rockefeller biography? Damn, that man wasn't. No, never really read it. My last one is. Where's that book? Um, my last book. Where's it? Where did I put it? Um, yo, where did? Where are you? Oh yeah, that's a classic one. It's a it's an old one, but I reread that one. It's John C. Maxwell, Failing Forward, turning mistakes into stepping stones for success. So yeah, that it's pretty interesting. It's really good. I like those books. Um, that was another one I read that was pretty good. But this one is more about like the little book of leadership development: 50 ways to bring out the leader in every employees. So yeah, I kind of like that one. But yeah, keep readings, guys. The power's in the books. Um, my brother who lives in Canada works there. He's the youngest SMD in the. I don't know WFG. What's WFG? Is WFG like? I think it's a network marketing company. No, in insurance. If I'm not wrong, is that right? Not sure. But all right, let's move on to the next pair. All right, cool. So 80 CAD we did. Uh, I don't think there's any other nice pair out there. Am I wrong? Yeah. You see so far? Holy fuck! Look at this. That's Euro USD. That's exactly what I would. exactly, exactly what we were expecting. So funny. Yep. So goddamn funny. So now, actually, the 4 now. If it closes above, now we're gonna create a new high. Now it might be start to look interesting because now after that we're gonna need to break under this low to become bearish. Now it would make sense. But yeah. What else? Let's see. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Somebody asked about where was it? One of the pair that we talked about already. Where is it? I'm there, guys. I'm there. Doctel set up today? Maybe. Let's check. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. We kind of filled that wick though here to the left. But we got a lot of clean traffic here on the daily to the left, so we can continue up. Yeah, totally. Once this candle close, I'm gonna wait for the tail to be formed to the downside. Once we're gonna be passing that top wick, that's where I'm gonna get my entry and take it up to the upside. Probably gonna be looking for like 196 major QP. So probably gonna exit around there. Yeah, something like that, if it makes sense. I think AUDGPY was the pair that somebody wants to. Let's see. Oh, AG, Euro GPY. Yeah, okay, thank you, Krish. So, Euro GPY recap here for Salal. Is that Salal? Salah. Sorry, guys. All right, so we got a weekly bullish here. We got the price coming down, retesting previous structure, which is also daily area of interest ish, more like last structure, because we only have two touch, to be honest. So daily went bullish. I mean, it was bullish anyways. 4 hour now. 4 hours just purely bullish without any pullback. So just waiting on a goddamn pullback. So yeah. And here we don't really have an elbow. Like, just we don't. Like it's flat, you know? Like this is like bing. This is like it's not a sharp elbow like this, just like, you know, it's kind of, it's not really an elbow here. So yeah, so this one's kind of fucked up. So I just need a pullback. Yeah, but this is one of the best example for like not being in the move or in the trade while seeing it going to the upside, where you plan for price to go to the upside, which is great. But if I was dumb and if I was like maybe 3-4 years earlier, I would be in that trade. Maybe it would be good for me because it went up actually, but most of the time when you try to force a trade and just find an entry to find an entry, most of the time you'll be losing. You know, that's a reality. In this case, it worked, cool, you know, but I don't care. You know why? Because, man, market's going to be there tomorrow. Market's going to be there next week, in a month, in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now. So who cares if I miss one move here? I can take like 20 other moves, you know? So I think that's what you guys have to put in your mind, is that stop rushing the process. Go with the flow. Okay? Damn, sorry, it was AG, my bad. God damn, man, Chris, you make me work for nothing? What the fuck, man? No, I'm joking. ADGPY. God damn. All right, let's do this. It's the same shit, though. It's the same shit. ADGPY is bullish and weekly. We came down to retest daily previous structure, major QP. Look at this on the daily. Boom, beautiful. And once again, the 4 hour just no pullback. And this one, though, we do have a pullback here, which is great. So now, if we do close here, I think AG is the nicest one of the GPY pair because we have a pullback here. And once, let's say this candle closed there, and we finally have a bearish candle, we can use our fib and establish where price might pull back and take entry from there. So, but that was the first real pullback. We went bearish for a while, and after that we pulled back bullish. So now, after flipping back bullish, just gonna be waiting for a pullback. So yeah, AG is probably the one that looks the nicest. If you look here at the daily, look left, you got clean traffic up to 103,458. Actually, yeah, 466. So you got clean traffic up to there. So if we have a little pullback here, you might have some like around like a 30 pips. So you're gonna have to have like a very small stop loss, like a 10, 15 pip stop loss to be able like to do like at least a 2 to 1 or 2.5 to 1. Because yes, we can pass this high for sure, but you gotta be ready to exit this trade because we might reject it. Because look at this wick, So if your TP's here, your stop loss has to be like very small to make your RR make sense, After that, if we do pass this, we can fill this wick, Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Yeah, sorry. Oh, yeah, no problem. More cars you burn, I guess. Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks for having my back, dude. All right, what else? I think we look pretty much at everything. Any other pairs you guys want to take a look at? Take a look at Solana. Solana is going back up, baby. That's great. Look at this pullback here on the weekly. Yo, straight in that golden zone, baby. This shit works everywhere. Yeah, that's good. Well, it's RP. Woo. Yellow line is where I bought XRP. Same thing with Solana. Bought a shit ton here. Bought another shit ton there. Like all that one at $9, $10, $14. Now up to 150, baby. Goddamn, let's go. We got some races coming up. By the way, guys, if you never tried this game is so fucking good, guys. It's not even funny. You can be printing money while racing horses. So if you have never tried it, you got to give it a try. It's free to subscribe. Yeah, so if you by the way, if you do subscribe, you can use the referral code and have a free training horse to actually try it. You can buy real virtual horses that can win money for you. You can breed them, sell them. Yeah, I'm telling you, there's a full fucking ecosystem on that. Like there's horses being sold for like 12K, 15K, 20K. It's crazy, I sold some like not really so good one yesterday and the day before, like for a couple $100, which I didn't really pay because I breed them myself. So kind of cool, really, really good. So if anyone interested, let me know. This is fun. All right, cool. Let me go check the chat here. That info on opportunity will be on F2OB? No. I will share that information only privately because I don't want to transform the F2OB for infomercial kind of things, So people that reach out to me, I'll give you the info. That's a very, very, very solid business opportunity that you can do pretty much, I mean, not everywhere in the world, but in a lot of countries. Very legit, very legal, real products, um, real everything. It just an opportunity for you to get started with your own kind of business, work for yourself, and very good ways to make money. That's actually how I was generating over 6 digit per year when I was 22. Back then. Now I'm old. I'm 42. That's 20 years ago. So yeah. So yeah, you definitely want to check it out. Shrimp pattern forming on Sol will go long 3x leverage. Yeah, we should hit the $300 mark on Solana. I'll reach out to you again. Thanks for the support, Steve. So you're welcome, bud. You're welcome. Welcome, welcome. All right. I think what time is it now? Yeah, 8:35. Yeah, I need to go. I need to go, guys. So once again, I thank you so much for joining this morning on this late change of schedule. It was like last minute change. Thank you for showing up. We're gonna be live again this week. We're gonna do Friday night Forex Talk Over Beer because I'm gonna be coming back on the train on Thursday night. Okay, so make sure to mark your schedule down. Next Friday night, we're gonna do Forex Talk Over Beer instead of Thursday night. Okay, so let's do this. And once again, thank you so much for showing up, guys. And I'll see you on Friday night Forex Talk Over Beer, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I'll see you on Friday. Take care.